I asked ChatGTP to roast people who reply with simply K. And honestly, this might be accurate. ChatGTP roasts types of people. Hey everyone, I'm Steve Ovo, your number one AI stand-up comedy guy. If your entire personality fits into one letter, then this is about you. People who reply with K aren't busy. They're emotionally minimalistic. Big words. They don't say okay. They don't say sure. They don't even say LOL. Just K. That one letter carries altitude, attitude, disappointment, and progressive aggression and passive aggression all at once. You can send them 3 paragraphs, screenshots, voice notes, and a heartfelt apology. And they respond with, "Okay, roasted." That's not a reply. That's a digital door slam. They will say, "I'm just direct." No, you are lazy with your feelings. Roasted. Because when they're excited, suddenly they can type. Suddenly it's, okay. So the K isn't about time, it's about effort. But real talk, sometimes people are tired. Sometimes they don't have the energy to perform conversation. Just know every K you send starts a small war in someone's head. Roasted. Relax. It's comedy. If you are offended, it means ChatGTP hit close to home. Tag a person who replies with K and thinks it's fun. This is ChatGTP comedy on the AR. We're going to roast everyone.